Hey guys! You might be wondering why I'm coming at you from a parking lot. Well, good reason. Andy's amazing. Seriously though! So, he does so many side gigs on the side, and he has such a brain that's always thinking of new ideas, of ways to help people out, of ways to make money. And I tend to like self-care and working out. I love my photography, but I don't have lots of side gigs. Anyways, the sweet boy's birthday is coming up, and I wanted to come up with a way of giving him some kind of cool experience that he has no idea that it's coming, and it's not from money that we like make together, like something that I worked hard for. So anyways, I've been selling items that we've wanted to get rid of, even things I've found that I don't even know if he knows that we had, because it was just like things my sister gave me. And so anyhow, I've been selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace and meeting up with people, and I feel so sneaky. I can't wait to just tell him all about it. And actually, the plan is, hold me to it guys, the plan is I'm going to show him all this stuff that I sold in a scavenger hunt, and then the treasure will be some kind of amazing experience while we're on vacation here in a week or so. Hopefully that's how it turns out, and we do this amazing experience and he loves it, and I have a great story to show you. So we'll see how it turns out. So I'm in front of our house, and I can't wait any longer to tell Andy about the scavenger hunt. I was so sick here, but I pulled myself out of bed. I was desperate to tell Andy what was up, so that he can see that I've been earning this money for his birthday experience, because I hate sneaking behind his back. It's driving me crazy, and I just want him to know that I'm so excited to celebrate his birthday. So right here, I'm going to leave his note saying that I've been sneaky for your birthday, selling all this stuff, and he has to take steps guessing how many dollars I got for each item to find the next clue. So, hiding the clues.
What is that?
I sold it. Those chairs that have been in our basement.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Take steps in whatever direction to how far you think. How much I got for them.
Okay.
No.
Oh. $15.
It was actually 20. My steps are smaller.
Oh.
What's
This
the next
thing you
one?
sold?
I did. Yeah.
And do I have to take steps?
Yeah, to guess how
do
much.
I go that way?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My steps aren't that little.
$10.
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's a kitty. What is that?
It's a mirror
Oh my god.
I came across.
Do I have to step in that one too?
Yeah, you can go that way.
$25?
20.
Not bad. What is that? You found that?
I might
Oh
have.
my gosh.
A wooden chest.
Oh my god.
It was solid wood.
Another $20?
You're right. For a solid wooden chest?
Oh, 30.
Keep going around the whole swing set.
Oh my gosh, 40?
Keep going. Keep going. Why don't you go all the way to the fence? How many steps are you at?
I don't know, 50.
Probably more like 75. Why don't you walk back towards the house?
Oh, I think I see it.
Are you impressed how much I got for it?
How'd you get $75?
What if I told you I sold it in an hour upon getting it? Uh-oh, this one might have blown away.
And you got these printed?
I did. I had to make the scavenger hunt.
Good job.
So baby, now we gotta add up all the money I was gonna pick where to go, but I think we should decide together.
10, 20, 50, 125?
Okay, so let's add it all together for real. So we ended up with $200, and we're already heading on vacation, so this is just an awesome experience while we're already in Florida. 200. So while we were in the Naples, Florida area, I decided it really made more sense for Andy to pick out what he wanted to do for his birthday, and I would definitely be down for the ride. Here we are at Barefoot Beach in Bonita Springs, and there's docks on the beach.
Yeah, so I ended up picking parasailing. Originally, I looked at Naples, and they wanted like $150 a person, and we found Bonita Jetski and Parasail, and it was only $190 for both of us.
Yeah, with the $10 parking, it actually worked out perfectly to beat the $200 that I had saved up by selling all this magical treasures. And let me just add as a side note that we're also helping save the earth by having people reuse, renew, and getting to use that money to go have this amazing adventure.
That's right.